Not only I'm going to tell you aloe vera gel benefits, but will share the easy way to preserve it for a long time. So keep watching this video till the end. Aloe vera stands as a shining example. Imagine a plant that's not just a decorative piece but a powerhouse of benefits packed in its leaves. Welcome to the world of aloe vera, where its gel holds a treasure trove of goodness. Aloe vera gel is skin's best buddy. Let's start with skin. Our body's shield against the world. Aloe vera gel is like a superhero for skin issues. It's a natural moisturizer sinking into the skin without leaving a greasy feel. Dry skin, aloe vera has got your back. It soothes, hydrates, and can even help with pesky sunburns, calming that angry redness and aiding in faster healing. It's healing magic. This wonder gel is no stranger to healing wounds. Got a cut or a scrap? Apply a bite of aloe vera gel and watch the magic happen. It's gentle yet effective working. Its wonders minor burns, cuts, and even insects bites. Plus, it's antibacterial, preventing infections and keeping the area clean as it works its healing charm. It's beauty booster. Even dreamed of flawless skin? Aloe vera makes it possible. It's a friend to those battling acne, reducing inflammation and redness while helping to fade those stubborn scars. It's known to reduce puffiness and hydrate the delicate skin around the eyes. It's beneficial for hair growth. Watch my one of the video that is regarding hair growth effective remedy. Now I'm going to tell you the best way to preserve aloe vera gel. Okay, so here is the leaf of aloe vera. I'm just cutting out the last part of the leaf. You know why I'm doing this? Because there is a harmful yellow color gel, so we have to just take it out, keep it in the glass because all the gel will gather in the glass like the yellow color gel. Okay, and leave it for a while, then when you see that it is coming out, you will use it. Okay, now see, there is there are all the leaves. I put it in the glass. You see, one by one I take the leaf and I will show you that how to collect all the gel. Okay, here is the thorns. You see the thorns on the corner of the two sides of the leaf. Just take it out and now see the first layer of the skin. You have to just impart it. Just take care that you are going to collect the gel. And now see, yes, I am just uh, taking it out carefully. Now see the second part of the leaf. Here is the gel. Take a spoon and then take the gel in the spoon. I am just taking it carefully and then I will collect it in a jug. You have to follow this way. Okay, now see please, and then follow up all the steps. You have to just do with all the leaves. Okay, now what to do? When you collect all the gel in the jug, you have to just blend it so that you can find a fine gel. Shouldn't be any lumps. Okay, now see, I'm just taking my blender and then start blending. See that properly have to blend it. And yes, because when we find a good paste of the gel, we can apply it properly. This gel is ready. What to do? You have to just add amber turmeric quarter teaspoon in the gel, because you have to use it for a long time. Amber turmeric saves it for a long time. You can use this gel for your home remedies time to time. That is the best way for you. Now I'm just telling you some more benefits of aloe vera gel. Keep listening, keep watching this video. Drinking aloe vera gel can be a boon for your digestive system. It aids in digestion, helps with constipation, but first consult your doctor. It's nature's gentle touch. What makes aloe vera gel truly special is its gentle nature. It's suitable for most skin types, rarely causing allergic reactions. It's a natural remedy free from harsh chemicals, making it a go to choice for those preferring a more organic approach to skincare. In a nutshell, aloe vera gel is a versatile, all natural solution for various skin and health concerns. I hope you like this video. This is very helpful. Please comment how did you feel to watch this video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.